Good morning, kids. Today we will learn two more new patterns. In the last class we learned about bumpties and lumpties, right? So today we will learn about curve. Yes, curve. So let's begin. Curve. Curve ऐसे भी होता है and ऐसे भी होता है. So this is first pattern and this is second pattern. First pattern very simple. करना क्या है, आपको इस पॉइंट से एक सेमी सर्कल ड्रॉ करना है in the downward direction. Okay, so this becomes a curve. Once more, this is a curve. Draw a curve in the downward direction. See, I have drawn in a downward direction. Right? Same way. This is a curve. Now we will draw the second pattern. इसे आप backward curve भी कह सकते हैं, क्योंकि इसे हम down direction में draw करते हैं, but हम इसे पीछे की ओर में मोड़ते हैं. Okay, so you can call it backward curve. Forward curve, backward curve. Okay, once more, draw a curve in the backward direction. Okay, so this is a curve. You see once more. This is how you draw a backward curve. जब आप अल्फाबेट लिखेंगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा इसका यूज. आपका होमवर्क है one sheet of forward curve, one sheet of backward curve. So kids, this was about the curve. Your homework is that you have to write one sheet of curve, okay, and show it to me. Bye bye.